Paddy's well.
In 1841, my corduroy breeches I put on. My corduroy breeches I put on to work upon the railway, the railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. In 1842, I didn't know what I was gonna do. Didn't know what I was gonna do, said work upon the railway. In 1843, I broke the shovel across my knee, working for the company on the Pennsylvania Railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1844, I landed on the Liverpool shore. Me belly was aching, me hands are raw from working on the railway, the railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. In 1845, when Daniel O'Connell, he was alive. Daniel O'Connell, he was alive and working on the railway. In 1846, I changed my trade from a carrying bricks. Changed my trade from a carrying bricks to be working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1847, poor Paddy was thinking of going to heaven. Poor Paddy was thinking of going to heaven from working on the railway, the railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway.
Thanks very much.